Hey, we've got a pack of 1989 Pro Set football. We can win a trip to the Pro Bowl and other NFL memorabilia. Let's see if we can win. Heads up, we're not going to win. Super Bowl. When is that? 18. Raiders and Redskins. Roger Vick. Andre Tippett. Luis Zadejas. John Taylor. Dino Hackett, Tunch Ilkin, Art Monk, there we go, Danny Noonan, Gerald Wilhite, Thurman Thomas, powerhouse running back for the Bills, Cedric Mack, Reggie Williams, Joe Nash. We're going to end with Lonzel Hill, and there's our Not Gonna Win book. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.